Matthew 24. As Jesus dey comot from the temple, him disciples come show am how the temple building be. Jesus come tell them, una dey see all these things? I tell una true word, when the time reach, one block no go dey on top another one, because the building go scatter finish. As Jesus sit down for Mount Olives, him disciples come meet am for corner, ask am, make you tell us when these things go happen. How we go take know say the time when you go come don reach? Jesus answer them, make una shine una eye, so that nobody go fit deceive una. Many people go come with my name, they say, I be Christ wey be the Messiah, and them go deceive many people. Una go dey hear rumors say war dey happen for different place. Make una no fear, because it must happen, but the time wey I go come never reach. One country go fight with another country, and one kingdom go fight with another kingdom. Hunger go dey everywhere, and earthquake go happen for different place. When these things go dey happen, e go be like when belle dey pain woman wey wan born. Dem go carry una wey be my disciples, give people wey go suffer and kill una. Because of me, people for different town wey no know God go hate una. Many people no go gree follow me again, and them go dey lie and hate each other. Many wayo prophets go come and them go deceive many people. Because people no go obey God's law, the love wey many people get for God no go strong again. But God go save the person wey go bear go reach end. Before the world go end, my people go preach about God's kingdom go reach everywhere. As Prophet Daniel talk, bad things go happen for the holy place inside the temple. Anybody wey hear this word make e understand wetin e mean. People for Judea go run go on top mountain. Person wey dey on top roof make e no come down come take anything from him house. And person wey dey farm make e no go back to him house go take him cloth. For this time e go hard well for women wey get belle and those wey get small pikin for hand. Make una pray say e no go be for Sabbath day or raining season na im all these things go happen. Because for that time, the suffer wey go dey go strong pass any suffer wey don happen since when God create the world come reach now, and this kind suffer no go dey again. And if God no reduce the days when these things go happen, everybody go die finish. But because of the people wey God choose, he go reduce the days. So if anybody come tell una say, look oh, Christ dey here, or he dey there, make una no believe am. Lie messiahs and prophets go come do big miracles take deceive people. If it possible sef, them go deceive people wey God choose. Make una remember wetin I dey tell una so before them go happen. So if anybody tell una say, look, Christ dey inside bush, make una no go. Or look, he dey inside house, make una no believe. Just as thunder light dey come from east go west, na so e go be when man pikin go come. Because now where dead body dey, na there vultures dey gather put. After the wahala wey go happen for that time, the sun go come dark and the moon no go shine, stars go fall from heaven and heaven go dey shake. Then man pikin sign go appear for heaven and all the tribes for this world go cry. Them go see God pikin dey come from inside the cloud for heaven with power and better glory. God go send him angels go blow loud trumpet, and them go gather the people wey he choose from everywhere from the world. Make una hear the fig tree parable. Anytime in branches they bring leaf come out, people go know say dry season don near. So when una see all these things dey happen, make una know say the time don reach and e dey near una domot. I tell una true word, the people wey dey the world for this time no go die finish before all these things go happen. Heaven and earth go vanish, but my word go still dey. Nobody know that day or the time. Even the angels for heaven no know am except my papa. Just like it happened for Noah time, na so man pikin go come. For Noah time, before the flood come, people dey chop and drink, they marry and they give their pikin out for marriage until the day when Noah enter the ark. Them no know wetin dey happen until water come carry them go. Na like that it go be when man pikin go come. That time, 2 men go dey for farm. One go vanish, leave the other one. 2 women go dey grind corn for engine. One go vanish, leave the other one. So, make una shine una eye because una no know the day when Christ go come. But make una remember say, if person wey get house know the time when thief go come for night, he go ready himself make the thief no for enter him house. So, make una dey ready because man pikin go come for the time when una not think say he go come. Who be the servant wey wise and good? Na the person wey him aga make leader among the other servants so that he go give them food for the correct time. E go good for that servant when him aga come back come see am dey work. I tell una true word, him aga go say, make you carry for the whole house. But if na wicked servant, he go tell himself, my aga no go quick come back. So he go begin beat the other servants and he go dey chop and drink with drunkards. When him aga come back for the day when he no expect and the time when he no know, he go cut the servant to pieces, come throw and put for where pretenders dey, where he go dey cry and grind him teeth.
This na Greywood Whispers. Voice when not loud, but get sense.